Hey, what is going on, everybody? Welcome back to my channel, RedLineMods. Thanks for tuning back in. We just installed a new product we just got. And the door right here is super thin, and you can't even feel it because it literally goes all the way in. It's awesome. It's great. Same thing here. See, we have it right there. See that tiny white strip? That's what it is. And all the way around. So what's crazy about this product is the fact that it's super thin, and the light doesn't have like any dim spots or anything like that all the way around. It's equal, but the only thing is, of course, you can't have like a whole thing coming all the way down like that. You can have those clean looks. So we'll give it a, you can start the car, and he's got a board exhaust if you hear that in the background. And then right now it's on effect of 7 chasing colors forward. So you have many different features on them. So you got that strip over there, you got the door right there. Then you got the center console done right here. See the left and the right. And focus on it so you guys can see it more. This dial. If you want to do like the center console and the top as well, and the small strip over there, you're gonna need at least 8 strips because you want to do the doors as well, just like that. One door over there, their door right there. I gotta focus. And then you have that nice light in there too, right there. You see that blue? That light right there, purplish. I'm not sure blue in the video, but yeah, it gives it that nice look over there as well. That's also optional right there. I have it here too. See? That light looks really nice. Dim it down for you guys so you guys can see it. This portion is perfect. If you just want to do like the top and one small strip there, that's going to be, you just need six strips. If you want the footwell, you make sure you get the footwell one too. Or if you want this one, the bowl lighting as well, it's gonna be there too. That's also optional. So you got the footwell, the bowl lighting is optional, and that comes in a different kit. So again, if you're interested in these, it's on the site, link in the description below, and also you might see it under the video as well. Just click on it and it should take you right directly to that spot. This is amazing. I just love the startup on these things. Super thin, high-end quality, a little expensive, but they are definitely worth it. And it's wireless too. Wireless meaning it doesn't have wires running all over the place. It's just connected hardwired over there in the bottom under the steering wheel. You have the controller, and for the doors there's a controller inside the door, so you don't have any wires running through the whole panels or anything like that. Yep. And you have many options. You got the free app from the app. Yep, that's the app. Look at that. You got brightness, you got solid colors if you want. I mean, just dim it down so you guys could focus on the lighting more. Look at that. And then you got the wheel one, and then you have different chasing effects as well. Yeah, the red looks really nice. Yep, and you got the chasing effects. You could do 2 chasing, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, whatever colors you guys want. It will do that, backwards and forward motions and trails. Look at this thing. This is wild. Trail, backwards, white backwards. They have a ton of features in them. So, how many options they got? So there you go. You have a lot of options.
208.
210. 210. So you have 210. This is what we're looking at. 210 right now.
Oh, it's forming.
Oh, it's forming. Oh, that is nice. Yeah.
You mean the center console?
Yeah, the center console is forming up too fully. This is insane. This is next level stuff. You get what you pay for. This is wild. And it's full. And you have that on, yeah, different. Okay, so it does different colors and it forms it all fully up. Look at that. That's so satisfying. Yeah. So yeah, make sure you guys use the discount code. It's gonna be RLM15. And if you need any installs in New York, and if you're able to drive to New York, look at this thing. What? What in the world is going on here? So if you need any installs or anything like that, DM me on Instagram at RedLineMods.official. We'll take care of you in New York. And if you can drive down to New York, that'll be perfect. So now you have like combination of different colors here. White and yellow on the outside. Yeah, so that's it, fam. So peace out until next time. Like, you could chill with this thing all day long and figure out your favorite combinations. This is insane. Over 200 features on this thing, so you're good to go. Anything, it won't let you down for sure. All right, that's it, fam. Peace out until next time.